Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP and you'll be learning some common greetings used in the Philippines to help you get around. Greetings are quite important as they help you become friendly and approachable to the locals. Let's start with the most basic and casual one. Kumusta? This translates to how are you in English and could also mean hello. Kumusta? 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 Uy, kumusta? Kumusta ka na? The next ones are for formal situations. Magandang araw. This could mean hello, good day, or good morning in English. Magandang araw. Magandang araw. Magandang araw. Magandang araw. Magandang araw. Magandang araw sa'yo. Then we have Magandang umaga, which translates to good morning, Magandang hapon or good afternoon, and Magandang gabi or good evening. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Magandang hapon. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. Magandang umaga po. Magandang hapon po. Magandang gabi po. Another casual greeting is what's up in Filipino. We usually say this to friends. Anong meron? Anong meron? Anong meron? Anong meron? Anong meron? Oh, anong meron? The last one is goodbye in Filipino. We say paalam. 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 Paalam po. Now, let's go over all the greetings we learned today. How are you? Kumusta? Good day. Magandang araw. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Good evening. Magandang gabi. What's up? Anong meron? Goodbye. Paalam. I hope you find these common Filipino greetings helpful the next time you go around town and greet locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam.